Hello everyone, welcome on Frog Tech Tips. Today I've got a review for the smartwatch, which is YHE BT Doctor Smartwatch. Hello everyone, welcome on Frog Tech Tips. Today I've got a smartwatch for the review from company YHE, which he sent me for the review. It's come like this. Here we go. It's here. As you can see, it's YHE BD Doctor Smartwatch. Okay, have a look, open this box, check what is inside, and have a look for the quality as well. Today is will be just quick unboxing, small quick review or test, and later on, once I will be more fully tested this watch, there will be coming a full review within 1 week as well. Okay, let's go do it! As you can see, it's a YHE brand smartwatch model Y001S. It's got a bright silver color, Bluetooth standard is Bluetooth 4.2. System support is Android and iOS. Date of production is just September 2022. Okay, not bad. And quickly have a look on the website before we open the box. Like I said, it's a YHE BD Doctor Pro blood pressure smartwatch. It's actually the first smartwatch which got some airbag or inflatable paddle for the measuring the blood pressure. It's actually the medical grade. As you can see, the medical grade BP accuracy patented into the aircraft. 24 hours monitoring up to 7 days. Standby time. Okay. We can have a look quickly on the website. You can see what is here. There is a lot of information. You never miss a beat. Your heart rate, blood oxygen saturation. It's also got a heart rate sensor, sleeping monitoring, push your fitness on the future. It's also have some fitness tracking as usual, every single stuff. Only I think on this phone, only on this smartwatch, is what is missing. I think it's GPS. It's got a screen resolution 320 to 360 on 1.4-inch big screen. It's not a bad resolution for this size of the screen. Couple of sensors. It's a 208 MHz MTK processor. More languages, USB charging, and in size is 54 to 38 with 12.9 millimeters. And material is actually medigrade stainless steel. It's really good. Okay, some more reviews and some links for the YouTubers review. It's there as well. Okay, that's it. Apart of, as you cannot see on the start, this watch is now on the offer for $299 US. Okay, have a go and unbox this. Okay, go unbox. Okay, box is very nice, I think. It's got two stickers on the side. It's probably just slide up. Here you go. Some damage on the box, which is interesting because it's sealed, but never mind. Okay. This is how it first look. And you can say the watch is quite heavy and looks big. But build quality looks very nice. and have a look what's more on the box. Nothing here. Okay, that's it. We got a BD Doctor smartwatch manuals. We have a quick start guide. Where is actually the how to install the app as well. Yeah, that's we needed. It's got a USB cable and charger. Okay, how it works the charger? It's actually the clip in probably. It's clip in and it's hold on the position. You can charge it. It's really take it off hard, but yeah, that's good. And yeah, this smartwatch cable is actually instruction for how tight you need to put on your hand, the wrist up, and the quick manual. Okay, let's go install the app. No, have a look on the watch first. Oh, yeah. How to switch on? It's actually power button. Switch on this or this power button on the side. Bluetooth pairing. Okay, you actually cannot switch on this app, this watch before you actually install and pair the app. Okay, that's I need to install the first app. Scan this. Okay, as you can see, we installed the app, and after that, we install the app. We actually can switch on the watch. I also set up app. Have a look what's installed. You can change the design of the watch and stuff like that, and pair with the phone. And now the watch is working. That is how it looks like. It's got a really nice display, oxygens, and yeah, not many stuff here. I actually don't know how it operates. Okay, I already got 2 calories burned on me in the holding this watch. Interesting. And okay, there's not many you can do here. Measuring, yeah, heart rate. Not on my hand now. I want to show it's actually the working as usual, like every single and after that. See, pillow, air pillow is there. It's for the blood controlling blood pressure. Yeah. Okay, that looks interesting. Wait to finish this and put on my hand. Okay, this is how it looks the watch on my hand. We can do a test again. Measuring. Yeah, I can feel that inflatable pillow. Ah, that's interesting. Okay, 99 to 76. I'm not sure it's good or not. Push this button. We are going to menu, take down. Push the middle button and we got there. BP, oxygen, HR, and workout alarm, calories, sleep monitoring, weather, and weather settings. What's happening? Screen timeout to 10 seconds. Brightness. It's really nice brightness. It's gonna always on. Raise to 8. It's fine. Look at the language. Can have what kind of language? English, Espanol, and Chinese. Not many language here. Uh, we can have a unit, distance, mile or kilometers, temperature, Fahrenheit or Celsius, Celsius. Okay, look at that. Yeah, yeah. That's it actually. HRV monitoring, monitor automatically during sleep. It's sleep monitoring, whether you see sleep, no sleep record because I just switch on the phone. Okay, we got a workout walk and BMR calories, how many being, okay, alarm, workout. Okay, we got a outdoor walking, indoor running, outdoor running. That's it, not too many. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 step, go. And yeah, that actually will be measured probably, probably just with your step. And maybe GPS, I will be test this later, okay, when I will go for my run and I will be compare with my Mi Band 4, which I still use, brilliant watch for band. It's got a 40 days battery life, it's amazing. And when I run in the car with my phone, which getting me GPS and record everything, that's fine. Now let's see, I will compare that this watch later on. As you can see, that's only not many stuff here, but yeah, looks nice. Like I said, build quality is really nice. I think also for me it's too big, but it's an impressive build quality. Yeah, really, really interesting. And it's actually heavy. Not sure how many grams it has, but it's feel heavy. It's really feel it's a stainless steel build quality. And yeah. Can I have a look on the manuals if it's the how how heavy is it? Right here on somewhere. It's right 80 grams, but I think it's more. Okay, this is all for today. It's BP smartwatch, medical grade smartwatch. Will I recommend it? Probably yes, if you need a blood pressure monitoring and for daily routines. It's really good. By the way, again, thanks to YHE company to send me this smartwatch for the review. It's really nice build quality, really robust. It really costs too much to build this on this build quality. Feel really good. From this point, I really can recommend. If you are want more tracking fitness or running or other uh, daily routine sports, probably it's not really good because I only find that there is a indoor and outdoor running monitoring. But I will be having on the deep review when I will be more testing and check how accuracy is the step count and when you're running, what's showing the heart rate and stuff like that. It's compared with my Mi Band, but so far, yeah, it's nice watch for for all people. Really good watch. Even in the this monitoring, yeah, it's really good. Otherwise, for young people, probably not to recommend, but if you are over 50, it's a really good watch for you, or if you are need a medical grade blood pressure testing and write this every time to sheet. You can have it digitally write it down anytime you want it. You just push the button and that's it. For the battery life, so far he writes probably about 7 days. I don't know. I will test it. Let you know later on. But so far, go on the description, have a look on his website, maybe check where you can buy it. Apart of his website, definitely you can go to Amazon or eBay or stuff like that. I will put something on the description as well. It's good Christmas present as well. Yeah, it's good Christmas present, but otherwise, not exactly sure. Display is nice. Okay, take care and see you later on my another video. Don't forget to click subscribe for more video like